You ever feel like growing your brand is a full-time job, a second job? I hear you. Between family and work and everything else, who has time to figure out this marketing stuff? So here's what I do, and I spend my own money to see what works, and then I take the best strategies that I find and I put them inside this playbook. So I'm testing different marketing strategies, different ad strategies, email strategies. Nothing fancy, no complicated tech or anything like that. Just what I did, what worked, what didn't work. Put it in a guide for you. That simple. And then I put it inside a membership community so that every month when I come out with these things, you have like a library of fresh marketing tactics. It's tips that work even if you're not a tech person. Let me show you how easy it is when you get inside the membership to learn a skill.
So we're here in the membership community. Let's say if I wanted to learn email marketing, I'd simply click lessons. It'll show you all the lessons about email marketing. And then you click get started. And here you have access to the lesson in instant access. And you go back. Let's just say if I wanted to look at all the books that I have available, I would click get started. And as you see, all the issues of my playbook here, you can download those instantly. There's other business books here. Here's one. You just click the download. Here's another one that I just wrote. This one's about writing a book. This one's about digital marketing. So you have access to all of these as instant downloads. Let's say if I wanted to create a course, you look at the lessons here. You can pick between the lessons or you can see what's all available. And then you just click get started to access the lessons. Let's say if I wanted to write a book. Here, there's book writing 101. There's topics that you can create for your book. You just click get started. It doesn't matter what you want to learn. Even every month, I upload tutorials. So the latest tactics, you just click get started to access all that stuff. And we also have resources in each lesson. Not in each lesson, but you have resources that you can download. So almost anything you want to learn, you just find it here in the membership area, and then you just click get started. It's that simple.
Now that was very easy and simple to find. If you want to find a skill, you find the skill, you take the lessons. On the bottom of this page, there's some information about my membership community. Now, here's what's inside the membership. You get monthly issues of this playbook, all right? And you get past, present, future editions. You get step-by-step tutorials on everything from writing a book to course creation to marketing to funnels. All that's in there. And then whenever I write a book, whenever I create an audio book, my library grows and I leave that on the membership, in the membership community for you to have instant access to. And you literally get access to my 9 years of failures, 9 years of mistakes and what I've learned from those mistakes. It's like having me tell you exactly what to do. It's like having my 9 years of online business and marketing experience in your pocket. If you're tired of posting a lot of content and worrying about the algorithm and worrying about watch time and hours and why am I posting stuff and it seems like the algorithms are suppressing my stuff, why am I not getting more views on this stuff? You know, I get it. That's exactly why I created this membership. Think of it as having a mentor that's already spent the time and the money to figure out the stuff that don't work. And this is stuff that I've personally spent money testing, and I just want to share it with you. If you want to know what's working for creators right now, what's moving the needle, when you join, I'll have that. Plus, I got already 5 business books that you can instantly download. You get access to the full library of all of our step-by-step guides, tutorials, all of our books, any audio books or anything that we put on there in the future, anything that I create to help you win in business. Everything is organized so you can find exactly where it is without having to spend a ton of hours on YouTube searching for a video on this and searching for a video on that. It's all in one place, all organized, easy to find, simple to understand. So listen, I'm extremely picky about my time. I value my time. So I designed this membership with that in mind so that you don't have to spend hours trying to figure it out. You just look for what you want, take the lesson, done. So click below to get started.